What's up, everybody? This is RoxRite representing the Renegade Rockers out of San Francisco, California. Roto BC1 All-Stars. I'm here for my BreakAdvice. Give you guys some pointers.
Not recognize. BreakAdvice.
My lesson today will be a front sweep, back sweep footwork step that I've been utilizing for a long time. It's actually a transitional step that can help you get into power moves and freeze combinations. So this is something that has helped me throughout the years. So what I'm doing here is the sweep is a very important move in breaking. We all use it all the time. So this is something that as a teenager I just came up with. It's kind of like transition to get on top and then go back down. So what you're doing is you're sweeping, you're switching, and you get up. So that means you leave the ground. There's no hands. It's like you're off the ground. And then you do a back sweep. You step, front sweep, hop, back sweep. And if you want to change up the angle, you can. So from here would be front sweep. So you can go to, from here you would be able to go to a move. When you get up and you go to your back sweep, you can utilize it for a back transition. So it's a good step to utilize even for power as well. So you can go, it just varies. So this is the step that I use today. Is just a basic step. It's nothing complicated. It's just a way to be more creative within footwork. A lot of b-boys, we get caught up doing a lot of the same steps. So it's very important to play with your levels, play with your angles, add steps to different steps. Take your basics, but always expand your basics and try to make them unique to the way that you break and the way that you move. This is Bboy RoxRite here at BreakAdvice. Thank you for having me. Peace out, tune in, and get some knowledge.
Not recognize. Not recognize. BreakAdvice.